Hey guys, we're definitely ready to try some Royal Purple today. We're going to see, does Max Clean Royal Purple fuel system cleaner and stabilizer actually work? So it says restore fuel economy, maximize horsepower, remove deposits and buildup, stabilizes fuel during storage. Okay, directions for use for this product are can treats 15 to 20 gallons. Fuel tank sizes outside of that range, and for 2-cycle engines use 1 ounce per gallon of fuel. So it says to go ahead and add the entire can of fuel to the tank, and then add this to a nearly empty fuel tank. Then you'll want to come back and fill your fuel up after you've added the Royal Purple. So go ahead and put this into a nearly empty tank, then put your fuel in. So guys, it comes with this nifty little funnel, which you really don't need a funnel like this one, but I just like to use one. I just want to show you guys this. Look at this. This stuff's even purple. So let's go ahead and add her in there. Well guys, I want to jump right in and show you these intake valves. I mean, they are bad, so definitely take a look at these. I've got us a few vehicles that we can run tests on that have been burning a lot of oil. So let's go ahead, jump right in, and I want to show you the before shots of these intake valves before adding this Royal Purple. We're going to see if this stuff really does remove deposits. It has an extremely high amount of PEA. So let's jump right in. Let's look at the before shots of valve number 1. This one definitely has a lot of carbon buildup. Let's move on to number 2. And it looks very gunked up as well. So let's move on to number 3. 3 valve. It also looks very gunked up as well. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4 valve, yeah, it's definitely rough as well. So, is this stuff actually going to work? Let me know what you guys think. Definitely drop a line in the comments below. I love hearing your guys' opinion and information that you guys have to give, or any stories that you may have. Alright guys, now we are going to drive until we run all of this Royal Purple out. Once we run it out, I'm going to come back and show you guys, does this stuff really work? Did it help remove the carbon buildup on those valves? Here we are back again, and now I'm ready to jump right in and take a look, see if this has actually helped remove some carbon buildup. So let's get ready to get wrenching. Okay, let's look at these after shots. Wow, I can definitely see some improvement. So let's go ahead and check out valve number 2. Valve number 2. See much of a difference? Let's move to valve number 3. Valve number 3. I can definitely tell a difference there. So let's move on to valve number 4. Valve number 4, definitely I can see some difference. It's definitely starting to clear up a little bit considering the task that was ahead. Well guys, what'd you think? Definitely let me know. I saw some improvements. I typically don't like to give my opinion, as I always say, but I really enjoyed doing this. I did see a difference. I try not to say too much about it though, because I don't want to influence the results. I'm not paid or sponsored. I buy these products with my own money, and that stuff definitely isn't cheap. So take all these things into consideration, and until next time, I want to really let you guys know I appreciate you for taking time out of your day to watch these videos. Check out the next video.